You.
Cece, can you make your noise again? What do you have to say? Yeah? You gonna tell Mom again? You gonna put your whole foot in your mouth? Do it again. All right. Is that it?